Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we finally got our breech plug in for this muzzleloader. We're gonna go ahead and get it put in. This will be a short video, super quick, but I wanted to finish up and didn't want to leave y'all hanging. We do have the breech plug, so let's get it put in. All right, so we got the breech plug. What I like to do is just put a dab of grease on these, not a lot. You don't want it getting down in the powder, and just run it all the way across the threads like that. And that's going to keep it from sticking next time. If you clean these things every time you shoot them like you're supposed to, that little bit of grease right there will go a long way in preventing the breech plug from getting stuck. I'm just going in the threads like that, and we're going to drop it in there. And we need a 7/16 to tighten this thing down. All right, we got our 7/16. And we're just going to get it snug. We're not going to over torque it. All right, that's it. All right, so this gun's ready to be put back together and fired. We will, anytime I put take the breech plug out and clean it, there's still oil in the barrel, you know, residue from cleaning it. So what I always like to do is put a cap in it and fire it before I load it, especially if it's if I'm just out shooting targets, it doesn't really matter. But if before I go hunting, I always do that just to make sure that the barrel's good and dry and clean. And your fouling shot is usually more accurate anyway after you shoot one shot from a clean barrel. So it changes the point of impact anyway. But I like to go ahead and shoot one primer through it, make sure that everything's good and dry, make sure that ain't no powder going to get wet or anything like that. And then it's ready to load, ready to shoot. So that's going to finish this one up. Like I said, super quick, pretty easy. I just didn't want to have a cliffhanger on this series because I've done a couple videos on this gun and I didn't want to not finish it out for you. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.